AI take your job or help you do it faster? Will it become your best friend or your biggest threat? The truth is, the future of AI is both exciting and unpredictable. So let's take a look at where it's heading and what it could mean for all of us. Hi, I'm Cynthia, your guide from the near future. In this episode, we're diving into what's next for artificial intelligence. Will it get smarter, safer, maybe even more human? Let's explore together. Right now, most AI systems are great at one thing at a time. They can recommend your next song, write an email, or help diagnose a disease. But they don't truly understand the world like humans do. The next big step is general AI, an intelligence that can learn and adapt across many areas, not just one. Think of it like a student who keeps learning instead of a calculator that only answers what it's told. It's a huge leap, and it might redefine what smart really means. The future of AI isn't just about replacing jobs, it's about working together. Imagine an AI that helps teachers personalize lessons, or one that assists doctors in catching early signs of disease. Even in creative work, writing, design, music, AI can help bring ideas to life faster than ever before. AI won't just do the work for us, it will amplify what we can do as humans. It's not about competition, it's collaboration. But here's the challenge. As AI grows more powerful, so does the responsibility behind it. We'll need clear rules, ethical guidelines, and transparency about how AI makes decisions. Things like bias, data privacy, and accountability will matter more than ever. The goal isn't just creating a smarter AI, it's creating a trustworthy one. Because technology should serve humanity, not the other way around. So what kind of AI future do you want to see? A personal tutor? A creative assistant? Maybe a robot that helps save the planet? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your vision. The future of AI isn't written in code. It's shaped by the choices we make today. Together, we can build a world where intelligence, both human and artificial, works hand in hand. Thanks for watching. Next time, we'll explore another big question. Can AI be creative? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next.